Wait.
No. Taylor, I can't. It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
I don't think we're cut out for building furniture. No, I was wrong. Hey guys, it's Sasha and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video is a little bit overdue. Just kidding, it's very overdue, but it's still very exciting. So today I am taking you through the process of my loft transformation. So the reason I'm filming this part is because this video is very all over the place. It was filmed over the course of several months. You can see all my different hair transformations. Like I start off like blonde, then I have dark hair, and now here we are back to blonde. So you caught me at quite a moment in my life. I also hope you guys are all safe right now with the whole coronavirus situation. I know it's a scary and hard time, but we will get through this. I hope you are self-quarantining and staying at home with your loved ones. I literally haven't been out of my house in about 3 weeks, unless it's to like go hike a mountain. So stop biting my shorts, Chewy. Stop. All right, well I hope you guys can follow this video. It's kind of all over the place, but let's go ahead and take it back to August 2019 when this whole process started. So peace out. So right behind me, I have this staircase and it leads down to the main part of my room that has my bed and all of that stuff. But then up here, I'm in my loft. Because right now, nothing is done to it. It's like a mini storage unit. There's just crap everywhere. It's really bad. The most random things ever up here. There's my ring light, my pop-us-on chair, just random stuff. I don't even know. So today we're going to IKEA to see if we can find anything that I want to put in my loft. We're looking for a vanity, cubbies, and then a table and a chair or bench thing are the things that we're looking for. My mom is gonna be home in a little bit. She's coming with me because I can't make decisions on my own and I need her with me to help me out. So we're gonna head to IKEA. It's time to finally finish this. It's been too long and I wanna get it done. So let's do it. So I'm with my mom now. Woof! And we're at IKEA. So let the adventures of transforming my loft begin. IKEA is so fun.
Hold it, be normal.
Okay, normal. What do you mean by normal? Just like this?
Normal's not holding it like down. Well, you don't have to be like that.
Okay, okay.
Just hold it.
Hold it. I'm holding it.
No, you're in sideways.
You want me like this?
No. You're holding it like this, okay?
Oh, straight.
Straighten it,
Straight,
yes.
okay. Straight.
That looks good, yeah. Okay, just hold it normal.
I'm holding it normal.
Okay, so right now we're looking for the table that I'm going to film on. So I'm leaning towards this one.
Does it have little Schubladen or anything?
It's a Schubladen.
Little drawer.
No.
Schublade.
It's a kitchen table.
Okay.
Does your kitchen table have drawers? And then I'd film and I'd like have my stuff here if I was like doing like makeup.
I don't think it looks like a high chair.
I'm not talking about the chair.
What's over there?
Oh!
What's that?
Look.
I don't know. I can't see. Oh, look at that.
That's perfect.
Right? It is. It
Get
is.
2 of these.
2? Why 2?
And I want them to face each other. And then they open up together and I have my tripod and my shelf.
Oh, that would be very nice.
I like
okay.
that.
Yeah, and look, you're right behind. Look what the sign says. Phoenix! What are those drawers called?
They're called Alex drawers. So I feel like these are kind of like basic YouTuber like makeup drawers.
Mm-hmm.
But
You could make up whatever goes in there.
am I even in the frame?
Yes!
Because like I feel like I have to, like if I'm sitting up, I'm like not in it.
Do you want a close-up of the makeup drawers?
No. I'll put them next to, they look good next to each other. Yeah, because like these match.
Yeah, I think that's probably why they put them next to each other. I don't know.
But like next to, like touching.
Do you want them to touch, Sash? Because we can make them touching if you want.
So we're testing out this table to film in front of. And wondering to see if it holds 2 people. So like if, in case I want to like film with a friend. I don't have many of those, but in case.
Or your mother.
True.
Okay, so what do you think, son? You think this is big enough for the 2 of us?
Ooh, you're purposefully getting in my space.
Hi.
I think it might be a little close.
It's a little clamped.
It's a little tight. Okay. No.
Okay, no, this is
No.
no.
No. So this is the new table we found for filming in front of.
Hi guys.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's a Lynn Monson bar.
Time for a space test.
I think it's past.
I think it's good. I like the grill. I think I should be an interior designer.
I think you should too. Follow in your mama's footsteps.
Good one. The last time you guys saw me in this video, I'm pretty sure I had blonde hair, so hi, it's dark now. So, a little update on the whole situation. I filmed that about a month ago, I'd say, when we were at IKEA last. Maybe a month and a half, I don't know. I then came home and I ordered all of the furniture off their website, and I had not the best experience with their delivery service. So, I decided instead we're gonna go pick up the furniture. So, here we are. Shout out to my mom for coming with me, I appreciate it. We have a trailer, you can't see it back there, that we're pulling so we can put all the furniture on it. That's the plan. Today we're going to IKEA to pick up all the furniture that we picked out last time, and we're going to take it with us on our little trailer. So I'll see you guys there.
Hey, wait.
What?
Wait, Sasha. Put your hand.
This is heavy.
Okay,
I can't do it.
I can't do it. Okay, look. I got it on my leg.
Okay.
Just a minute.
The fin bar.
Where's your camera?
Over there.
Oh, you're filming this? Okay. I'm in IKEA hell.
Good work, Mom. Oh no. There's the trailer. We ended up not even needing the trailer, so that was kind of dumb, but we thought we might, so better safe than sorry, right? We got it all, so we did it. My mom and I pulled it off. I'm proud of us. I'm glad we got everything that we needed, and check this off the list. Woo! Okay guys, so it has been a few days since I was at IKEA and I bought all the furniture, but I currently have it all just sitting outside my door. It's been sitting there for a few days, and now it's time to build it. And I brought in a special guest. Everyone say hi to Taylor. Hey. So we're about to attempt to put this furniture together. 2 young girls with no muscle mass. Or maybe you have some, I have none. Bob the Builder 2.0.
He can fix it.
Oh yeah, he can. Sasha, I'm sliding. It looks like a small box. It's the heaviest one. It's not moving. This is angering me. I'm sorry. Sasha, deep breaths. Taylor, I can't. Hold on. Frick! I'm so irritated. This should not be the hardest part. Okay, box is open. There's that. This is like,
Tell me why we thought 1 a.m. was the best time to do this.
it's 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay,
Remember when we were gonna do this 12 hours ago at 1 p.m.?
oh my. Oh my god, it's like oven. Taylor! Taylor, it's really hot here.
It's like a queasy baked oven up here.
Taylor, I'm gonna break this thing. Okay, we have some airflow. It's minimal, but it's there. We're gonna go build. Don't you dare break my furniture. I'm just kidding. We're gonna continue building. I'm gonna update you guys when necessary. I don't think we're cut out for building furniture.
Are you sure that's right?
Yes, Sasha, look at that. Oh wait, no, I was wrong.
The first screw is just about in. We gathered our tools. I went out to the garage and got some of my father's tools. We've got all our bolts laid out. We've got it all organized up in here. Pointing to this thing.
It's saying that that's this side, so you know which side it is.
Okay, true. Okay. This is awful. We've made this little thing, which the drawers go into, obviously. And then we're making the drawers right now. So we have those ones. We just did these two. So these are the finished drawers. I think we killed it, actually. It took us a while, but ta-da! And then this is progress on another piece of furniture that we still have to finish up, but we'll get there. Then we also finished this little desk thing. It's got some stuff on it, but the drawers just open like this. Ta-da! And the rest will be revealed next time in part 2. Alright, well I really hope you guys all enjoyed part 1 of my loft series, just getting the furniture, building some of it, and the whole process of that. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2, which will be coming your way shortly, where I decorate it and put the final touches together before the tours happen, because those have been highly requested. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking the big red subscribe button down below. Alright, well that just about wraps up this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! Deuces.
Just an accident waiting to happen like